Very first thing you need to do is open up your camera. The next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then you have different aspect ratio right here. If you are trying to shoot, so you can decide to shoot. So here you can decide to shoot 4:3 aspect ratio shot. Then you can also change your aspect ratio to 16:9. Then make a shot. You can decide to change the aspect ratio to something like this, full screen, shot. You can decide to change the aspect ratio to 1:1 and make a shot. Now let's check out the feed photos. So 1:1, 16:9, and this is another one right here, and another one right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to set different aspect ratio for your photo shoot in Android phone. For more tutorial about camera setting like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.